See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Alright, so I don't know why when they tag me to Seun Kuti videos. I just saw one post where Seun Kuti said he does not want anybody to respect him. You understand? He does not want anybody to love him. His daughter love him and blah blah blah. You see the truth, yeah? I've seen all the videos that Seun Kuti made. You see, nobody say I don't fit talk back at Seun Kuti, but for some reason I will not bring myself to do that. And here is why. Which mountain I want to make I take talk to Seun Kuti now? Make I understand. If I want to wash him, I wash him from head to toe. Nothing will happen. He no fit see me for those stop me or beat me say I talk about her. But here's why I have honor. She na this same mouth. When me and Seun Kuti take go in Papa grave, take me down. Where we tie ram, pour the blood. We carry kola nuts. He cut the kola nuts with his mouth. Give me a chop. He open gin. He drink. He give me a drink. Me when no they take alcohol. Then we can't use mouth. Come make prayers for front of him Papa grave. Now this same mouth I will take pray. Now this same mouth I won't take insult Seun Kuti. I know the shame. I dey mad. How do I do that? I am a man with honor. I can't do that. That's why I said, man, it's love and respect. Because I can't bring myself to do that. It is an honor for me, say I go kneel down for front of Fela grave. Who is Fela to me? Fela is somebody that I looked up on. It's not person we say, as I dey grow, I dey read about him. They listen to music. They see how vocal Fela dey. When my papa them, my mama them, when my papa them no get mind to talk for military regime. This na man where single-handedly come out, they chance them. This na man where they beat. This na man where they in prison. Where they buy mama. That's when I study. Where make me get mind. I get person, I get in Peking. Me and in Peking, we go sit down for front of him Papa grave. And this in Peking so, now the only replica. So now he resemble him Papa pass for all the children. It was a privilege for me to do that to Seun. Do you understand? So imagine me coming back again. After how many months? He never take. This same mouth, I will do prayers to the ancestors. I can't use the mouth now, I can't insult Seun because Seun they talk online. That's his business. For me, Seun has no honor. If after all that, you are coming online to do this, you have no honor. And I can't bring myself to do that. If not to say I won't talk about you, there's 1,001 thing I'll talk about you and nothing will happen. You understand? You know, do live. You know how many live you won't do? I go do 10,001 live. She not talk, we go to talk, they go. And me, I go to talk with facts. But I will not bring myself to do that. So now, yeah, very dark man does not want to talk. Because Seun Kuti has a secret. Which secret? I'm not a man with secrets. There's literally, I know to say get with you and I don't know about me. My nude, they online. My nude, they online. In short, people know the kind of women when they like knacks, in a single mother. So I just try to think about the secret when I talk. I don't do fraud. I don't steal. He himself, Seun Kuti, you know how many cases he don't bring, can't give me, make it. Oh, very dark man, get one matter. If I no get, if I no be person who get integrity, can't do that. But like I said, for this single reason alone, I can't come and be talking about Seun Kuti or talking back at him or washing him or insulting him. Why? Which kind of person? How I want to take a look me? How? I am a man of honor and I respect his father. And that's when me I go do for his father grave. It was a privilege that I did with him, with the person, the man when I look up to. The man when I look as role model. It was a privilege that his own flesh and blood, me I in there for front of his grave. They pray to call them out as our ancestors. It was a privilege. So I take that as a blessing. Like I said, if Seun have honor, he will not bring himself down like this to do all these things when they do. But he has no honor. You let followers and fans, they push you. Their followers and fans, they push you. I was so disappointed in him. But again, I just understood one simple thing about him. It's simple. What is that? Very dark man is a necessity. But don't be a necessity to my friends. That's what it is. Everybody want to control very dark man. And when he does not let them control him, then they automatically just become enemy. That's what it is. Showore tried to do the same thing. I didn't give him the opportunity. Even him, the Seun too. Now the same thing I just see. very dark man, this is your movement. More politicize it. Bring out, make the conjoin MOP. Make the conjoin MOP. I can't do that. I don't like you people's ideology. A lot of things, like I said, I don't want to talk. You get very dark man secret. Which secret? Which secret? Am I a thief? Do I do fraud? What do I do in secret? Even outside, I say he's a do person. What do I do in secret? The only thing I can think about now, when me and Sean don't do it, no day online. Now saying disturb me. Say I get one girl where like me, she dey disturb am. I go in bed, the girl come. We talk for there. I don't go hotel, I go sleep. They still carry the girl, the girl no let them rest. They bring the girl come hotel. Now one fine single mother, we chop. I the day we go in house again, she come. Maybe now that one be the secret. So I fought for your house. Is that the secret? Like I said, Seun Kuti has no honor. And because of what he did with this show or anything, I don't even know what he fight for. That's just the truth. Because he refused. There's one thing he did. He refused to address what he should do. He refused to point out, say, for the first time. Now it made me wonder, for the first time, Seun Kuti voice hook. Seun could not say, oh, what this person did is wrong. He says, hey, bros, I greet you. He says, in our oppression, because of sexual what they talk him. So very dark man is a necessity, no fight my own friend. Next thing they come online, they say, Ratters won't spoil show or their chance of becoming the president. Who won't give show or their president? Which country? He will never be the president. I mean, they tell you, he can't be, not in this country and in the next. I see him as a clown and a fraud. He has no structure. So if now this one go pain Seun and him, make you pin them. But Seun say me, I'll come, they talk back, blah, 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 they bash you, No, I can't do that. Me and you don't go do sacrifice for the person where me I toile for. Where motivates me be very dark man today. When I see an antecedent, I say, I bet Mona no let me talk. But I leave it here. This will be the last post I'll make of Seun Kuti. I'm not going to talk anything again. I won't say a word again. They can continue to do more live.